Mm. Hi guys. Oh, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup, guys. I'm so excited because this is a collab I was like not expecting, but I'm glad they did it. So today we're going to be talking about the new E.L.F. and Chipotle collab. I'm so excited. This is so cute. This is a very off the wall collab. I was not planning on seeing it, but I finally got it in and I said, let's do this. So I can't wait to get all into this look and all about these goodies in this cute little collection. But before I jump all the way into it, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. So let's get all into this collection. I believe this retailed, I want to say from $12 to $16. I'm gonna put all the info in the description box below, guys. I believe this whole collection is limited edition. This was a fun, cute little collection. But first, with this guy, it does have the E.L.F. right there in the front, ex Chipotle with their logo. It's so cute, and this looks like the table of the Chipotle, like when they say, okay, how much rice, cheese, lettuce, all of that. Silver top that they have all the ingredients and all the things you can build your own little bowl or your burritos. I actually love that this looks like it, and it actually is reflective, so I like that. That's really cool. So when you open the palette, let's open her up, gives you a nice big old mirror. I do like the mirror that's so big and wide. You get a full look at your complete eyes, the full face look you can do too with it. And of course we have all of the beautiful shades. Now you guys can probably tell from all these shades, these actually look like, again, the ingredients like the pinto beans, the black beans, the cheese, the white rice, the brown rice, the lettuce, all of that. It's just so cool how they actually did set it up to look just like it. And I love it. I was like, it's making, every time I see it, I'm like, you're making me hungry. You're making me real hungry. I love this. I think the layout, how they did it, how they made aluminum, kind of reflective, and then they actually had some of it like the names of the food. So I just wanted to talk about that a little bit. That's all about this palette. It's just a cool reflective, and it is out like the tray, like on the Chipotle kind of counter. It's really awesome. I really like this packaging. I think it's really clever. I just think it's pretty cool with E.L.F. to collab like that. So last but not least, I did pick up the Hot Salsa Plumping Lip Gloss. This packaging is adorable. So in the background looks like it's peppers in there, like a pepper or salsa background, or has the plumping lip gloss right there in the center. So on the back of the lip gloss, it does say it's the E.L.F. and Chipotle collection you didn't know you were waiting for. I sure did not. Customize your makeup looks and pretty much your go-to, like your customizable go-to Chipotle order. And remember, it's okay to be a little extra. So this lip gloss will have your palette looking plumped and spicy. In conclusion, you'll look fire, honey. All right. On the front, it does have the E.L.F. and Chipotle logo right there on smack dab in the middle. This is called Make It Hot Lip Plumping Gloss. So it is reflective at the top of the lip gloss, just kind of like the tray of the E.L.F. palette. And then also the inside is like that light chili pepper kind of red color in there. I like that. This packaging, I think, is very cute. This one is actually a lot heavier. So just like the palette too, guys, I forgot to tell you, the palette and the lip gloss, these are thicker and bigger than I thought they would be. And they do have a little more extra weight to them, especially the palette has a lot more weight than their other palettes they've had before that are fuller size. And then this lip gloss, this one is a lot more fuller and thicker. I'm a little shocked by that because at first I was like, oh, it's going to be like the skinny ones, like from the Mint collection. But this is bigger, a lot bigger. So all of this packaging from this collection so far, I'm like, A+. Y'all making me hungry. They're giving me Glam Light Part 2. I'm not gonna lie, I was like, y'all making me really hungry. I'm gonna need y'all to stop because this is very nice. If y'all want this look that I got with this cute little collection, stay tuned. one more bite before the lip gloss. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial today because I sure did. So let's dig right back into this palette. So this palette does give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 shades in this cute little palette. They are definitely laid out like a Chipotle kind of setup. Like, what do you want in your burrito or in your bowl? One thing I did not mention earlier, guys, is that on this palette, they do give you like a plastic thing and I just cut it off. I thought the names were going to be imprinted on here, but actually the names aren't printed on this plastic. So it's kind of unfortunate because I would like to know what is what name of this palette, but it's on this. So that's the only thing I'm like, ugh, when I got it and I said, oh, I'm gonna cut it off, and I thought the names would still like be on there, and I thought it was just packaged up that way, but the names went with it, and I was like, oh, I don't like that. Besides that, y'all, I used almost every single color in this palette. Y'all, I literally used everything on the top. So the only colors I didn't use in this whole palette was 1, 2, and 3 down here. So even the orange down there I used. So most of this palette is on my eyes right now, guys. Most of it. So I was like, I got a lot of color, a lot of things I can build up with this palette. My favorite shades of the palette, period. Just period. These are my top 4. So pretty much this whole section with all these 4 colors at the top left, those are all my favorite out of the whole entire palette. Every time I swatched these colors, they came out so pigmented, so pretty. It was not too much for me to blend it out. The colors performed beautifully every time, whether I layered it with another shimmer or a matte, it just worked beautifully. Lettuce, guac, corn salsa, and mild salsa is what I like. So I did try to do a look too, guys, off of what I did order. If you guys see earlier, my little Chipotle bowl. But I did actually, guys, try the new cauliflower rice in Chipotle. I didn't get the regular rice. So I was like, well, you know, the other 2 white rice and the rices I used on my tear duct, that's just the cauliflower. We're gonna use it for that. I love that it folds all the way back with this mirror. I just love that. Corn salsa right here, that gold one, that is what I have all up in there that just drags out. That gold, she is beautiful. When I swatched it on my finger, when I put it on my brush, it performed amazing, amazing, amazing. Like, I've never seen a formula like that with the shimmers. Because they shimmers sometimes be so-so. They mattes be cute, but they shimmers be so-so. They did that. With that corn salsa, that gold. I'm telling you, this gold, it literally has like gold with like chunks of like white gold or silver, something shimmer or glitter in it. The mild salsa is like a coppery red, but it has that silver glitter or shimmer in it, like the thicker chunks. I don't know how they did that, what they do to get that, but that's pretty. Those are very beautiful. The mattes all at the top, oh, they are good. You can definitely see the differentiation between the 2 browns. And then the green, of course, she stood out. I love the green. She's a nice matte. And then guac right here, that shimmer green, that's the one I put underneath both of my eyes. This blend in so pretty with that orange. That one is called hot salsa. I used a lot of salsa on my eyes today. So hot salsa blended very well with the guac, or the guac blended very well with the hot salsa. These 3 shimmers, y'all, are like mwah, chef's kiss. They are so beautiful. They are so smooth and they just blend out. You can keep building and building and make it more and more shimmery and more pigmented. It's just, you can make it more and more shimmery. It's just like it kept getting shimmery and kept getting shimmery. I was like, this is so pigmented. I've never seen their shimmers that pigmented, and you can build on top of it to make it even fuller, more shimmer. I've never seen them do that. So that's why I'm like, what'd y'all do, E.L.F? What'd y'all do? They did something with that formula. They really did. The orange down here, she's cute. She's a good matte. She's a matte with that shimmer, like pinpoints of shimmer. With these right here, so I believe that is the white rice and the brown rice. I did put those in the tear duct just a little bit. Those 2 are cute. They're not my favorite out of the palette, but brown rice, when I swatched it on my hand, she's not as pigmented, but on the eyes with a brush, she is. Just to let y'all know, that brown rice, she's sneaky. She's sneaky. She is more pigmented than the white rice, but the white rice swatches more pigmented than brown rice. I don't know how they did that. I don't know what's going on there, but the brown rice was less buildable than the white rice. That brown rice was a little more pigmented, just a little bit. And then I did not get to use this color and this one, and this one. I'm gonna swatch 3 of those. Right here is green salsa, sofritas, and then fajita on the end. See, as you can see, these shimmers are more of the level that I remember E.L.F's shimmers being like. This is like a deep, I want to say a deep wine, or like a grape wine color. And then it has this kind of greenish shift in it. I wish I did get to actually put it on the eye, but when I did swatch earlier, it just did not show up on my eye like that. And I said, ooh, that one wasn't so pigmented, it didn't pop. Same thing with this brown right here, it just didn't pop. And I was like, I need to see it pop. The guac one I thought was gonna be that. I thought guac and fajita was gonna switch. I thought the green was gonna like, oh, it's gonna fade with the other matte greens, gonna fade. No, that one faded and this one popped out. This green salsa, she is a very muted, soft duochrome of that maroon color with that green shift. That traditional duochrome that you know, of that like maroon to green shift. And she's really cute, but she's so soft spoken. I don't see it on my eye. I can't see it when I swatch it too much. She's really just barely there. So I think if you do want a softer look with this palette, I recommend these 2 shades. So fajita and green salsa, you would like it if it's like a softer look. So overall, guys, this whole top row was pretty much amazing. Down below, she was cute. Even the orange I did use, she was nice. I would have switched the orange and then put the orange up here and then put the brown rice and stuff down here. But overall, most of this palette is beautiful. They did change the formula a lot with a lot of these things. Some shimmers are so-so, but most of this palette, like all the mattes, A+. This whole little green gold section, A+. I love this palette. I like the packaging. I like the color of it. I think it was really just a good collab. I like this palette a lot. I like this palette a little too much. And last but not least is the plumping lip gloss. And guys, go check out my E.L.F. Mint Melt collection video. I did review a lot of that stuff from that collection. They had the small little lip plumpers, and those tore my lips up. I guess I really did not read the fine print, and I didn't know those lip plumping glosses. This one right here, y'all, I knew it was a lip plumping, so I was prepared. But they changed the formula in this, because right now I have it on and I kept on putting on layers. I said, let's feel the burn. You feel the burn, but those little E.L.F. lip plumpers, some things tear your lips up. This one is good. They calmed it down. They was like, okay, we told them this before, we're gonna be nice now. Literally, this one is more my level. I don't really care for plumping lip glosses. So if you guys love lip plumping glosses, then you're gonna be like, oh, no, it's not strong enough, or I want something stronger. Then get the little ones. If you want something mild, get this one. Get your hands on this one. Now, hopefully they keep formulating their lip plumpings like this, because this is bearable. The other ones are a little too much. But this one, I loved it. And y'all, the consistency of this gloss is so nice. It's nice and creamy. It's not sticky whatsoever. Has that high shine, that slip to it. It's so pretty. I was like, ooh. And the best thing ever, it smells like those little cinnamon candies. Ugh, it's so good when you're putting this on. And actually, I'm not gonna lie, after I, slept some Chipotle, this feels and smells so good on my lips after I ate it. And then like also you're talking, just smell like cinnamon. It's just so pretty. This one has that reddish pink tint to it. It's just literally, it's just a gloss, but it does add a little bit of a tint, nothing too crazy. So if you're thinking you're gonna get this red on your lips, you're not. Of course, it's gloss. But y'all, I believe this retailed, I wanna say $10, $5 to $10. But y'all, I loved this. To me, this was fantastic. I'm still like shocked of the new formula. All the new formulas with this, I was like, this is really good. I really like this level of plumping. The color, the scent, the packaging. I love it. I wish they keep everything new that they added. So when it comes to the pigmentation of the shimmers, when it comes to the scent and the plumping level of the gloss, keep that up, please, because I feel like that is more bearable. I feel like they did this collab very well. So if they collab with different food chains, I think that'd be awesome, because this is so cute. This was really good. They did it very well. They said, look, y'all about to like this palette. Okay, we about to upgrade. And this one is like an upgrade. It's like a smooth, more luxurious feel. And I said, okay, I like this whole collection so much. I wish they added more stuff. I hope they collab with other food chains and make stuff. I want more because this was so cute. Again, guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Did you like this collab, or you want to see more E.L.F. or other brands that collab with food branches? Let me know in the comments below. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. You guys already know what I'm about to say. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.